How do I find my Apple ID?
Hello there, Apple users. In this video, we're going to help you discover how to find your Apple ID, an essential part of utilizing any Apple device or service. We understand that sometimes it's easy to forget these details, so let's dive in and recover your Apple ID.
What is an Apple ID?
Your Apple ID is the account you use for everything you do with Apple, like shopping the iTunes Store, signing in to iCloud, buying an app, and more. It consists of an email address and a password.
How to find your Apple ID on your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch.
Here's the step-by-step guide. 1. Open the Settings app. 2. Tap your name at the top of the screen. 3. Here you should see your Apple ID listed at the top. If you're not signed in, your Apple ID might pre-fill on the sign-in screen. Or you can tap Forgot Apple ID or Password and follow the on-screen steps.
How to find your Apple ID on your Mac.
For those using a Mac computer, follow these steps. 1. Go to the Apple menu in the upper left corner. 2. Choose System Preferences. 3. Click Apple ID. If you're not signed in, your Apple ID might pre-fill on the sign-in screen. You can also click Forgot Apple ID or Password and follow the on-screen steps.
How to find your Apple ID on web.
If you don't have an Apple device handy, you can still find your Apple ID via the web. 1. Go to Apple's ID account page. 2. Click Forgot Apple ID or Password. 3. Click Look It Up. 4. Enter your first name, last name, and email address associated with your Apple account. 5. If you enter the wrong email address, you can try again with a different one. That's it. We hope this video has been helpful in helping you find your Apple ID. Remember, your Apple ID is crucial for accessing all things Apple, so keep these steps in mind if you ever need to locate it again. Enjoy your Apple experience.